Hi, I'm going to give you an example of what a video submission would look like for doing a love scan. Now, there will be several prompts that you'll be given, and I'll ask you to make a 2 to 3 minute video answering each question. So, this is one of the prompts that you would receive, not the first one, but I think it's a good one for an example. So, I'm going to pretend that I'm the client submitting this video for feedback. And the prompt is, what are your needs and wants in a relationship and how can they be met? So, as the client, I would say that a very important need and want for me is to have an emotional connection with my partner in a relationship. I want to feel that emotional support. I want to feel like I can talk about what's on my mind or how I'm feeling or reactions that I might have. And a lot of times I find it very helpful to get that feedback from the people close to me that I trust. So that would benefit me a lot, and I think also pull us together as a couple. So that is a definite need and want for me in a relationship. And how it could be met is by my partner being compassionate and a good listener and being able to try to put themselves in my shoes and give me some honest feedback from there, but also comfort. You want to feel that comfort and connection with your partner, and that makes you feel like it's okay to be vulnerable. And I would really like that in return from my partner, for them to be emotionally vulnerable to me and come to me as the one to talk to about things that are going on in their life or share things. And at least some of the topics, I think me as the partner would be the one that you would hopefully go to and share those things with, and that really deepens that bond. The second need and want in a relationship would be to have that close proximity in shared leisure activities. So I really like to exercise. There are some forms of exercise that I really enjoy, like running and yoga and trying some different classes. But I'm willing to try other things. I'm willing to learn more about weightlifting and strength training. And that would be in the same general field as an interest of mine. So I would consider that a shared leisure activity, that we're interested in the same things. I also would talk about liking movies and how it's fun to watch different movies together and then talk about what you thought of them or what was funny or what was sad or how maybe someone else interpreted it different than me. So those two things would be the top needs and wants that I would list if I was making the video to talk about what I would want out of a relationship and then how I would see them being met.